Ukulele, ukulele, Pismo ukulele.
Hey guys, Pismo here. Welcome to another easy, simple ukulele lesson and tips for the pre-beginner. So a lot of people ask me, Pismo, you seem to be playing a lot in the desert or tropical area of the country where it's nice and warm, but what do I do if I live in the Arctic zone? Well, that's a very good question, and this is what I would suggest. First, wear winter clothes, like a hat and gloves and stuff. And sunglasses are still good because of snow blindness. If you get blind, you can still play the ukulele, but it could hamper other things you do, which is bad, but then your other senses will pick up and maybe it will be good overall. Anyway, so I'm going to play a little song in the blizzard. It's about 20 below. Now, gloves keep your hands warm, but if you want more precision playing, you take the gloves off. See? So you can play glove, no glove. The only warning I would give that if you play with no gloves, that you only do it for about 30 seconds before you come in from the cold, otherwise you'll lose your fingers. That's it for today's lesson. Come back next week, please subscribe, and keep on ookin'.
Ukulele, ukulele, Pismo ukulele.